Hey, what's going on, guys? It's Ricky with Technical Solutions. I hope that you guys are all having a beautiful Wednesday. My name is Ricky. For those that aren't familiar with who it is that I am, if you guys haven't browsed around my YouTube channel, feel free to do so. I have a little bit over 180,000 subscribers. I have one of the fastest growing private trading communities out there. It's called Technical Solutions. We have a little bit over 100,000 members, and it's the third link provided for you down below in the description. If you've ever wanted to get started in investing in the stock market and surround yourself with like-minded individuals and do it for free, that is the free Facebook group. And we also, on top of that, provide you a free Discord chat that gives you the ability to network with thousands of members worldwide, just by being able to network, just by being on your smartphone or on your computer, wherever it is that you are across the world. So I'm at the gym, bro, watching while running. What's going on, Luis? So if you guys ever want to tune on live, you guys can subscribe and turn on those post notifications. That's that little bell right next to the subscribe button. As you guys can see, all these people are tuning in live right now. And I want to thank you guys for everything that you guys do. If you guys haven't watched today's video, I was able to cover a little bit over $1,000 profit. Yesterday, I was able to recover a little bit over $1,000 profit because the day prior, I was down 1,375. I was in a swing trade since Friday. I was green on Friday, went red, right, at a little bit over $1,000, recovered $1,000 yesterday, and recovered a little bit over $1,000 today. Overall, green on the week, so I'm super pumped on that. We have really good momentum going, and I want to talk about this topic that I think I've talked about it before, but I've only always offered one option, and this isn't an option that I offer myself. This is just exposing people to the idea of how to get started in investing in the stock market for free. People might be right away like, oh, what the heck, like, what is this, like, is this something that is like safe, am I gonna have to like sign up for something? First of all, it has nothing to do with me. It is called simulation trading or paper trading. I've talked about it multiple times. So again, simulation trading or paper trading. You can YouTube it, you can Google it. There's a series of different platforms. I am not paid by any platform whatsoever to talk about this, but I am going to explain to you why I think that that is the best way on how to get started if you've even had the smallest idea of wanting to get started. First of all, don't let my profits that I post every single day automatically determine or make you think that that's what you're going to make tomorrow, but just by learning. Even if you purchase like my Learn Plan Profit course, let's say you watch the whole structured video, right, and you watch me trade live every single day, that does not mean that you are going to be able to learn how to trade by tomorrow. But the thing that is, being able to invest in the stock market has never been so accessible, and it literally does not cost you one penny if you're within the United States. The thing that I've never talked about is for those that are outside of the United States, and that is simulation trading for those outside that cannot use the TD Ameritrade paper trading platform. So first of all, for those that are within the United States, I would encourage you to Google TD Ameritrade paper trading. Actually, go on YouTube, TD Ameritrade paper trading, and put Ricky. I have a video that explains to you how to set it up, and also a link in the description that you can use. You don't have to use my link. Again, I'm not affiliated with TD Ameritrade in any way. But the thing that I also want to expose you guys to is another platform that I have found that is available outside the United States is SureTrader. I'm not 100% sure if it's free. I think it might be like $5 or $10 a month if that is something that you can manage. The reason, again, so that is how you can. So really quickly, very quick, for those that aren't familiar with. So what's going on, Golden Tacos? You're coming here from Jubilee Media. What's going on, Michael? Nice documentary on Jubilee. Thank you. I really do appreciate it. So I want to talk about, why simulation trading is so important. For those that aren't familiar with what that is, what is simulation trading? What is paper trading? So these brokerages give you fake money, right? So it's fake money, easiest way to put it. And they allow you to trade real stocks, easiest way to put it, right? If you're through TD Ameritrade, you can subscribe to real-time quotes. You just have to call them and tell them that you're interested in setting up a new account. I've been with 3 individuals that have came over to my house, and I've assisted them in calling them and setting that up. It is possible. You can set up real-time quotes. It's fake money, and it does not cost you one penny. So if you've ever wanted to even potentially invest in the stock market, there is no question. I'm telling you, as someone that actively invests in the stock market, and that it's my entire community revolves around the stock market. I am telling you that there is a fact, right? A statistic that 90 to 95% of people who invest in the stock market fail. One of the biggest reasons, in my opinion, this is my preference, my opinion, has to be because people invest based on other people's opinion. If you watch any of my videos, I never tell people where to buy. I never tell people where to sell. And I never just encourage anyone to take a position that they are not comfortable with. And it's my whole video yesterday. If you guys watch my videos like almost on a daily basis, I'm super repetitive. And the reason that I do this is to instill this habit to not trade based on other people's opinion. And the amazing thing about these simulation trading platforms is that you can, everything that you're learning, right, from YouTube, let's say all you want to focus on is free resources. Is my YouTube channel the only resource out there? No. We're all wired differently, and you might see value in a different way than I do. I'm a technical trader. You guys can watch a couple of my videos if it makes sense to you. Great. If it doesn't, thank you again for tuning in. But what I want to expose you to is to consider the idea that if you've ever wanted to invest even $1 in the stock market, to take the extra step and not investing $1 yet. Start simulation trading, start paper trading, and when doing that, prove to yourself, the whole purpose of this is to prove to yourself that you can grow your account. So note this. This is even people that are part of my Learn, Plan, Profit course. This is something that I encourage them. They've invested in me and my private trading community, and I encourage them to start paper trading. The reason why is I want you to prove to yourself that you know how to grow your account before investing $1 in the stock market. I can guarantee you that based on my experience and the feedback that people have by being a part of Tech Club Solutions, which is our free trading community, or Learn, Plan, Profit, our private trading course group that gets to watch me trade live every single day, has been nothing but positive. Like, you guys can watch any of my videos. I try to filter out all manipulation. I try to filter out all negativity, and I love what it is that I do every single day. And you guys can see that by my videos. Regardless if you guys like me or not, right? I love what it is that I do. I am so happy to, I'm here in Arizona, to wake up super early in the morning, right? I wake up at around 5:30 to 6, so earlier than some people, right? And I always look forward to investing in the stock market. It's something that I find as a blessing that I get the opportunity, due to my understanding, to invest and make money by investing money. And you guys can see my track record, right? $1,000 today, $1,000 today, $1,000 yesterday. I was down $1,375 on Monday. Last week, I was up over $4,000. The week prior, if I'm not mistaken, a little bit under $2,500. Again, I show myself doing technical analysis. I show myself with my callouts, my breakdowns, and then I follow up every single day showing my profits, just like you guys have all asked. The thing that I need to encourage you guys to do is to, if you've ever seen even 1 cent of value in the stock market, to take the extra step. Forget about how much money you can make potentially right now, and consider the idea of first proving to yourself that you can grow your account. It's never been so accessible, right? This wasn't always available, but now it is. And that's why I'm here sharing it with you, because a lot of people think that, no, I can't actually learn how to invest in the stock market. I don't have the money on how to get started. I can't fund my account. If you are struggling, staying motivated, surrounding yourself with people that are, always trying to just do better, right? When it comes down to just trying to find some form of passion that you might, see a lot of value in later down in the future, if the market has ever been something that you have considered, I'm just here to remind you that it's never been so accessible. And I know a lot of people aren't familiar with it, but when it comes down to the, what is available now, I'm just here to expose you. Again, I'm sorry that I'm being super repetitive, but yeah, I am here to remind you that it's never been so accessible. You can start investing in the stock market for free, and you can test everything that you learn from either free content on YouTube or paid content on whoever it is that you see value in the stock market today. And it's, you don't have to risk 1 penny. That's all it is that I wanted to say. I'm just here to remind you guys of how accessible it is. We all like you. You were smart, hardworking, and so adorable. What's going on, Laura? Thank you again for that. I really do appreciate it. So that's really just it. So listen faster, people. I'm really sorry if I'm speaking fast. As you guys can tell, I'm super excited. I'm super pumped about everything it is that we have going on. You guys can watch my video on Monday. I was kind of like not down. I'm very well versed with experiencing red days. And I was down the 1375. But I knew what I saw. It was a swing trade, so I was down. I didn't lose 1,300. I was down that day 1,300, and then the following day I covered a little bit over 1,000, and then today I recovered a little bit over 1,000 as well. I think a little bit under 1,300. So my goal is still to hit that $2,500 a week when it comes down to investing in the stock market. And that's the, I already talked about how to get started in investing in the stock market for free. You guys have my YouTube channel right here. I have a bunch of I have a helpful video playlist, right, that talks about certain steps on how to get started, how to focus on patterns. Please, if you take anything from this video, is first, simulation trading. Test the market, see if this is something that you've ever wanted to be a part of, and see if it's something that you could actually experience success. If so, great, you've proven to yourself. If not, then you didn't lose $1 and you got to surround yourself with very motivated individuals. The second thing that I want to remind you guys is that, please be extremely picky with what you choose to invest in. You worked very hard for your money, and I want to make sure that it works very hard for you. So with that understanding, make sure that whatever stock that you invest in, you understand, you see value in it, and you understand why it is that you're taking that position, that you have a plan, entry, exit, and stop loss. This might not make sense to you if you're brand new, but I promise you that if you invest 1 week in watching my YouTube videos, it will make sense to you. Just by the past 5 videos that are the past 5 days of videos that I've uploaded on YouTube, you will have a much better understanding of learning how to invest in the stock market. Do this. We're all in summer, right? We're most likely all in summer vacation right now. Give yourself one goal for the next month. Let one new habit or hobby that you pick up is learning how to invest in the stock market. It's free, right? Through simulation trading. You have a bunch of free content on YouTube. And whenever you're ready, you guys can join my free Tech Butts group, right? That's the third link in the description. We have over 100,000 members, one of the fastest growing private trading communities out there. I encourage you to join our free Facebook group. Join the Discord chat that's provided for you. It's a link that's provided for you on the top pinned post. Once you get accepted to, once you get accepted to the Facebook group, and then once you get accepted, after 1 week or 2 weeks, whenever you think you are ready, because you watched this video, I'm gonna have let's actually do this, because I know a lot of people are gonna be coming in from Jubilee. So let's have a password called Jubilee. Whenever you're ready, I will offer you a discount if you see value in it in the Learn, Plan, Profit lesson library. All you have to message me on Discord. If you're ready now, you can message me on Discord today, right? But even 1 month, 1 week, couple weeks down the road, direct message me, Jubilee, right? And I will offer you a discount off the Learn, Plan, Profit lesson library, because I know that you watched this video and you know that you should start with paper trading. You know that you should not invest based on other people's opinion, and you know that you should always have an understanding of what you're investing in. It's what has led to my success in investing in the stock market, and it's what has led to the success of the people that I mentor. We have one of the highest success rates for those that invest in the stock market. Again, I'll show you guys right here when it comes down to Learn, Plan, Profit. This is our private Discord chat. We can go to the profit section. We can go to as simple as today. So reinvested some of today's profits into LPP. Thanks, Ricky. Past month, up over 15%. Again, a little bit under $1,400. Here we go. Nothing but profits, right? Staying green is what we focus on. Consistent growth. Watch any of my videos. That is exactly what we focus on day after day. Again, this is all today. A little bit over $500. Again, consistently growing your account. That is what we focus on every single day. I'm not here to prove myself to anyone. I'm here to grow my account and invest in patterns in which I understand, right? So I had a hard time starting out, but want to get started and getting the hang of it. Thanks to Gutierrez for providing the value and everything, everything is that we do, right? You guys can see nothing but, consistently being able to grow your account. That is what we focus on day after day, week after week, month after month. Let's go here. All right. I'll scroll down. Billy the Kid. Let's do it. Billy the Kid. What's going on? Let's see. Can I see it? All right. Yeah, I think they can. Here we go. So past week. Oh, okay, so showing from $600 all the way up to over $1,000. I love that. Consistently being able to grow your account. And again, well, Billy Kid has been able to grow it pretty consistently, right? Oh, we have another one. Someone else showing it right now. Really do appreciate that. I like it. Boom. What's going on? I like it. I like it. And guys, it's again, just surrounding yourself with people that, you really see value in, that you feel like you work well with, and just airing out all the BS. If someone is telling you what to invest in, probably not the best idea, right? Just be true with yourself. There's a bunch of free resources out there, and whenever you're ready, if you feel like you need to have someone to hold you accountable, and you think watching me trade live every single day is something that you would see value in, I would absolutely love to be a part of your success. We do this every single day. It's not just a course and you watch the videos and that's it. I am trading every single day. It's what I do for a living, right? I trade live every single day with this private group. They get to tune in live like this. They get to watch my screen, and we did it today, right? They saw me make the over $1,000 profit today, live every single day. They see me experience and make my mistakes, and then I talk about what I could have done better. Again, be real with yourself when it comes down to investing in any market, when it comes down to my real estate investments, when it comes down to the buying and reselling of cars, when it comes down to investing in real estate or any startup. Make sure that you have an understanding of what you're getting yourself into, and make sure that you make and take risks that you can manage. Easiest way to put it. So for all those that are tuning in live right now, I just kind of want to ask, for all those that are tuning in live right now, feel free to comment right now that you're a part of LPP. So we could just comment LPP, and if you think that these new people that are watching should join. So you guys can feel free to comment right here and go from there. So what is Jubilee? Jubilee, it's Jubilee Media. It's like a media company that shares that they have over 1 million subscribers on YouTube and stuff like that. So they share a bunch of really cinematic videos. They reached out to me about like a month ago. So there we go, LPP all the way. Alex, I like that. Not an LPP yet. I like it. But that's really just it. I just wanted to make a fun little video reminding you guys on how accessible the stock market is and can be. 2 different resources. If you're outside of the US, you guys can check out SureTrader, which allows you to start investing in the stock market through the simulation trading, or you can look into the TD Ameritrade paper trading platform, which is free for anyone within the United States, and I believe it might be for those that are part of Canada and Mexico as well. So where do I watch you trade live? So if you're part of Learn Plan Profit, which is the private course group, again, that's the first link in the description, then you gain the ability to not only have access to the course for a lifetime, but to get to watch me trade live every single day. And again, if you have a part-time job, a full-time job, you can, these videos are re-uploaded and put for you in a lesson library. So even if you don't get to tune in live every single day at Market Open, you at least get to recap on it and kind of see my whole thought process and stuff like that. But I go live every single day at Market Open for those that are part of LPP. I like it. So if you guys have any questions, again, I'm going to try to be very active in this video. Be sure to comment them down below. I would love to be a part of your success in any way that you guys would like me to. And the last thing that I want to leave you guys with is we are all doing something that we see value in or that we find meaningful. I know a lot of people might be in different positions in their life as of right now. All I want to encourage you to do is, if you're struggling right now, or you've ever wanted to, if you think that this could ever be a market that you would have a passion for, all I ask you to do is, I know you're working very hard with your job and with your career to provide for your family and your friends and for everything that you do. But it is also about, being happy yourself and making sure that you understand what it is that you're doing and that you see value in that. If you think that learning more about investing and how learning more about investing can then act as a catalyst in different parts of your life, then I encourage you to take this step and see if this is a market that you'd ever want to get started with. So I thank you guys again for everything that you guys do. First link, again, is part of my Learn Plan Profit lesson library. The second link is part of Flipping Wheels, so that's how it is that I buy and resell these cars. And then the last one is TechUp Solutions, our free trading community of over 100,000 members. Thank you again for everything that you guys do. Continue working hard, continue following your dreams. Let your passion be what drives your success. We'll see you guys tomorrow. And like always, let's make sure that we end the year on a green note. Take it easy, team.